friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Devika and today I have done this smoky eye look. So if you want to know how to do this step by step, so this video is for you and let's get started. And another thing, if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started now.
To moisturize my face, I am going to use this Garnier Natural Moisturizer to moisturize my face. So I'm just applying it in a dot form all over my face and neck before applying the foundation. After that, for primer, I am going to use this aloe vera gel from Patanjali, and I have taken a little bit and applying it all over my face. Blending everything nicely with my fingers so that it gets well absorbed into my skin and I get a good finish, soft smooth finish before applying the foundation. So my foundation, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is Natural Buff 230. And if you have a oily skin and if you're looking for a good foundation, this is really good for oily skin. So I'm just applying it in a dot form all over my face, neck. And with the help of this beauty blender, I'm just dabbing this foundation into my skin in a dabbing motion. Just dab, dab, dab wherever you have applied the foundation so that it will settle into your skin and give you natural finish. You can also use the stripling brush if you want, but for me, like, I'm using beauty blender because I love using it and it gives a natural finish. Then for my concealer, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my shade is medium. So I'm just forming a triangle underneath my eyes. So this is the right way to apply the concealer, and I will blend this with the beauty blender. So with the same beauty blender, I'm just going to dab, dab, dab so that my concealer get well settled under my eyes. So leftover, I'm applying it on my eyes for my eyeshadow base. After concealer, I'm going to bake my under eyes so that my concealer get well settled. So for that, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder to bake my under eyes. You can use any loose powder or Johnson & Johnson baby powder as well. After that, I'm using this Lakme Compact and just applying it all over my face, neck, wherever I've applied the foundation, and don't forget your ear as well. So after that, I'm going to dust off the excess powder under my eyes. Then for my eyebrows, I am going to use the Sugar Cosmetic eyebrow pencil, and it does have the spoolie with it. So I'm just filling in my gaps. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Maybelline nude palette, and from that I have taken the light brown shade as a transition shade and just applying it above my crease and just blending it above my crease. And I've applied the cello tape around my eyes, the both sides. Just blending it nicely. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade from the same palette and just dabbing it the outer corner of my eyes in a V shape and just blending it into my crease in and out. After that, I'm using this blending brush and just blending everything nicely. And now I have taken this black color and just applying it all over my eyes. So I've taken this pigmented black color, that's why I'm applying this with my ring finger. You can use any black color from any palette which is like very pigmented. So I'm just applying it nicely all over my eyelid. After that, with the help of this pencil brush, I am just blending this eyeshadow nicely so that there is no harsh line. Just blend, blend, blend. So again I'm taking this dark brown color and just blending it well into my crease. Just blending both colors nicely. I've taken this highlighter shade from the same palette and applying it on my brow bone. And again taking that dark brown color and just applying it on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to remove the cello tape, and you can see it look like this. So I'm just going to dust off if anything fall out, but honestly there was nothing. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Maybelline glossy eyeliner, and I'm going to form a wing eyeliner. For mascara, I am using this L'Oreal mascara. You can use any. So I will be applying it on my lower lash line as well. To bronze my face, I am using this L'Oreal bronzer, and it have 2 shades bronzer plus highlighter. So I'm just applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, my jaw lines, nose, and applying it on my forehead as well. So just blending everything nicely so that there is no harsh line. So for the blush, you can use any blush whatever you have, but I'm using this eyeshadow. So from that eyeshadow I have taken that pink color, and for my highlighter I am using this Makeup Revolution highlighter, and it has this 3 lovely shade you can see in this photo. So I have taken the first highlighter, so I've applied it the bridge of my nose. You can see it gives a natural glow, and yeah, it looks natural and I love it. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, and my shade is Flirt. It goes well with this smoky eye look, so I decided to apply this. To set my makeup, I am using this NYX matte makeup setting spray. So yeah, that's it. This is the final look of the smoky eye look tutorial, and if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. So till then, take care and bye bye.